Are you looking to create stunning videos with InVideo and save big at the same time? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best InVideo coupons, promo codes, and discounts, so you can take your video creation to the next level without breaking the bank. Step 1. Start by visiting promosaver.net, a trusted website where you can find the latest and most exclusive discount codes. I've made it even easier for you by providing the link in the description and comments below this video. Just click and get started. Step 2. Once you're on the site, browse through the available coupons and find the perfect promo code that suits your needs. Whether you're looking for a discount on a premium subscription or a special offer on InVideo's services, you'll find a deal that works for you. Don't miss out on these fantastic savings. Step 3. After you've chosen your code, simply apply it during checkout when you're paying for your InVideo subscription. Watch your total drop instantly as you unlock amazing discounts and deals. Don't wait any longer, watch the video now, grab your coupons, and begin your journey to professional quality videos at an unbeatable price. Let's save big and make amazing content together.